Hey, what's up, friend? Today I wanted to talk about another common struggle for artists, and that's comparing yourself to others. It's so easy to look at other artists' work and feel inadequate. This comparison can lead to self doubt and a lack of confidence in your own abilities. So let's explore how we can overcome this challenge and focus on our unique artistic journeys, especially when it comes to sketchbook drawing. Comparison can be a major creativity killer. When you see the polished and impressive work of other artists, it's natural to question your own skills. You might think, I'll never be that good, or why can't I draw like that? These thoughts can zap your motivation and make you feel like your efforts are pointless. However, it's important to remember that every artist is on their own journey. And comparing yourself to others is neither fair nor productive. The first step in overcoming comparison is to understand that everyone's artistic journey is unique. Each artist has their own path, influenced by their experiences, practice, and personal growth. What you see in someone else's sketchbook or on their Instagram is the result of years of practice and exploration. It's unfair to compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Think about where you started and how much progress you've made. Your sketchbook is a testament to your personal growth and creativity. Each page, no matter how imperfect, is a step forward. By recognizing and appreciating your own progress, you can shift your focus away from comparison and towards celebrating your achievements. Keep in mind that social media often showcases only the best and most polished work. You don't see the countless hours of practice, failed attempts, and frustrations behind those beautiful drawings and works of art. Understanding this can help you put things into perspective and remind you that all artists face challenges and setbacks. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own progress. Set personal goals that are tailored to your abilities and interests. These goals can be related to specific skills you want to improve, such as mastering shading techniques or drawing more accurate proportions. By focusing on your own development, you can track your progress and see tangible improvements over time. Keep a separate section in your sketchbook dedicated to documenting your progress. Include dates on your drawings and occasionally revisit older sketches to see how far you've come. This practice can be incredibly motivating and can help you appreciate your own journey without the need to compare it to others. Consider creating a visual progress chart in your sketchbook. Use it to mark milestones such as completing a certain number of pages, mastering a new technique, or achieving a specific artistic goal. This visual representation of your progress can serve as a powerful reminder of your growth and keep you focused on your personal achievements. While social media can be a great source of inspiration, it can also be a breeding ground for comparison and self-doubt. If you find that scrolling through Instagram or Pinterest leaves you feeling inadequate, it might be time to limit your exposure. Take breaks from social media and spend more time focusing on your own work and creativity. Use the time you would normally spend on social media to explore in your sketchbook. Experiment with new techniques, try different subjects, and let your creativity flow without the pressure of comparison. By dedicating more time to your own artistic practice, you can develop your skills and build confidence in your abilities. When you do use social media, try to curate your feed to include artists who inspire and encourage you, rather than those who make you feel inadequate. Maybe follow accounts that share their creative processes, struggles, and growth in a realistic way. Engaging with a supportive and positive community can help you feel more connected and less pressured to compare yourself. Every artist has a unique style, and that's something to be celebrated. Your sketchbook is a reflection of your personal experiences, interests, and creativity. Embrace what makes your work unique, whether it's your choice of subjects, your use of colors, or your distinctive line work. Your style is what sets you apart from others and makes your art special. Spend time exploring and developing your unique style in your sketchbook. Try different techniques and materials to see what resonates with you. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of your creativity. The more you embrace your individuality, the more confident you will become in your own artistic voice. Remember that your style is an evolving part of your artistic journey. It will change and grow as you continue to develop your skills and explore new ideas. Embrace this evolution and see it as a sign of your growth as an artist. By focusing on your unique style, you can reduce the urge to compare yourself to others and appreciate the value of your own work. It's important to distinguish between seeking inspiration and making comparisons. Inspiration can fuel your creativity and motivate you to try new things, while comparison can lead you to self-doubt and frustration. Learning to seek out inspiration in a healthy and positive way that enhances your artistic journey. When looking at artists' work, focus on what inspires you rather than what makes you feel inadequate. Analyze the elements you admire and think about how you can incorporate similar techniques or ideas into your own work. Use other artists' successes as motivation to improve your own skills and push your creative boundaries. Create an inspiration section in your sketchbook where you can maybe paste images, write down ideas, and make notes about what inspires you. This can be a valuable resource when you're feeling stuck or in need of a creative boost. By turning comparison into inspiration, you can maintain a positive and motivated mindset. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.